Welcome to this technical guide on the Dyson AM07. We are Kelatos Informatica, specialists in technical repair. We collect your device from your doorstep, carry out a free diagnosis, and send you a quote before any repair. No phone calls, no trips to the shop. We are based at Calle Joaquín María López 26, Madrid. Convenient, transparent and professional. Link in the description. If your Dyson AM07 is making a strange noise during operation, you're not alone. This issue can occur due to dust buildup or a failing component. If left unaddressed, it could lead to more severe damage or even complete failure of your device. So, let's dive into the repair process. For this repair, you will need a Phillips screwdriver, a flathead screwdriver, a soft cloth, and a can of compressed air. Ensure you have a clean workspace to keep everything organized. First, start by unplugging your Dyson AM07 from the mains. Safety is paramount, so make sure it's completely powered off. To open the device, use the Phillips screwdriver to remove the screws located on the base. Keep these screws safe, as you will need them later. Once the screws are out, gently pull apart the casing. Be cautious not to force it, as there are clips holding it together. As you open the casing, listen for any unusual sounds. This might help identify the source of the noise. Now, let's locate the fan assembly, which is usually the culprit. You might see some dust and debris around it. Carefully use the compressed air to clean the area, making sure to avoid blowing dust into other components. If the noise persists, you may need to remove the fan. To do this, locate the screws securing the fan in place. These are typically small Phillips screws. Remember to apply gentle pressure while unscrewing to avoid stripping the screws. After removing the screws, disconnect any cables attached to the fan. Take your time with this step, as damaging nearby components can complicate the repair. Once the fan is free, inspect it for any signs of wear or damage. If necessary, replace it with a new one. When installing the new fan, ensure that all screws are tightened securely but do not over-tighten, as this can crack the casing. Reconnect any cables you disconnected earlier, ensuring they are firmly in place. Now, it's time to reassemble your Dyson AM07. Carefully align the casing and press it together, making sure the clips snap back into place. Replace the screws in the base and tighten them securely. Finally, plug in your device and turn it on to check if the noise has been resolved. If at this point you feel it's getting too tricky, remember that at Kelatos we collect your device from your door and return it fully repaired. To prevent this issue from occurring again, make it a habit to clean your Dyson AM07 regularly. Regular maintenance will help keep dust and debris at bay, ensuring your device runs smoothly. If you'd rather not risk damaging your device, at Kelatos we collect, repair and deliver back to your door anywhere in the UK. Link in the description.